Hello everyone, in this video what we're going to see is how to create a book effect with the help of CSS, and moreover in this video we are going to learn a new property which is cubic-bezier, which is a transition state property. We'll look at it later in this video, but let me show you the scope of the video. When I hover on the rectangle box, it acts as a book, and that's what we're going to see. First and foremost thing is, let me show you the HTML. We have a container which allows us the book to be in the center of the screen, and we have a book, and inside the book we have another div with a class open. Fine. For so far we'll comment this, and let me see once again. We have a main container. Inside the container we have a book. Inside a book we have open. Fine. Let me remove all the CSS and position the book at the center. I'll show you the book first. Background red, height of 150 pixel, width of 100 pixel. Refresh it. Fine. Once it's done, what you have to do is allow it to be on the center of the screen. Choose the container, use our trick, absolute, top of 50%, left of 50%, transform, translate, minus 50% on x-axis, minus 50% on y-axis. As you can see, fine. Now what we have to do is we have to give the shadow. Let me zoom in for you. Control plus, box shadow, inside shadow I need 10 pixel horizontal, 0 pixel vertical, 120 pixel blur, and a black color. Refresh it. Fine. When I hover the center it, that means when I hover on the container, I want the book to rotate. Of just 10 degree. It would be quick. If you need smooth transition you would be using transition 0.5s. Fine, right? Now it's time for the inner div, which is open. Style it. We are going to give the position absolute. In order to use position absolute, the container should have the position relative. The criteria is fulfilled. Now top of 0 pixel, left of 0 pixel, and the background of yellow. We should give height and width, or else it would be useless. Height of 150 pixel, width of 100 pixel. Fine. When I hover it, that means when I hover on the container, I want the inner div to rotate transform rotate on y-axis of 120 degree. This will be too quick. In order to slow down, you need a transition property. Transition 2s, let's say 2s. Brush it. It is working, except we need transform origin to be at the left. Why left? When I hover, I want the animation to take part to be fixed at the left side. Transform origin. Spelling mistake, that's why we cannot get the effect. It should start from the left instead of center, left. Fine. Let me add shadow. Fine. You see, now I want it in inverse. What do I mean by that? I want the shadow only on hover. Rest of the time it would be simple. Sorry. Hover. As you hover, what happens is the shadow gets disappear. You can increase the time if you want to be quick. .5 was appropriate. Fine. Now it's time for the text inside. Just remove. This would be on the book. So give the padding of 10 pixel and the color of white to the text. This is a good practice if you write box sizing border box. So that our height and width are calculated irrespective of margin padding. Now we need a shadow at the bottom of the book. Ten pixel horizontal, vertical 0, blur 200 pixel, and should be black. That seems to be so much of blurriness. Let me remove some. Still there is so much. It's too much of dark. This seems appropriate. You might know the reason for using shadow on the book. See, when you open close, the shadow both are you. For the cover, let me use the background image. And the background size. For that is no repeat. Of cover. Brush it. Now the use of cubic-bezier. It is simply the effect. Sorry, it is not effect. It is the flow. When I hover, it's a yellow color. It is here. If I want to change the pace, like on a start, it should be so much fast. On a medium, it should be slow. But at the end, it should be so fast. As you can see, this is the pink color. We get the effect. On the start it will be very fast, on the middle it will be slow, on the end it will be very fast. Start, one more time, slow, fast. If you want, you can increase the duration. Use the same, copy and paste it. If you want, you can adjust it over here. This is for the end point, this is for the start point. I have copied it. Let me paste it on the transition. This is for the effect of open transition. After the transition, we have to paste our cubic-bezier. Definition: slow, fast. Leave it slow, fast, fast. This is the use of bezier, cubic-bezier. I hope the scope of the video is done, and we have made a pretty good effect. Thank you for listening.